Now, nuts are great for you. They're also a fantastic snack. Delicious as is, but even better with a bit of a spice twist to it. So I'm going to roast these with some smoked paprika and honey. Now, my nuts of choice, gorgeous Aussie macadamia nuts. They can go onto a tray along with some cashew nuts. These are all raw and untoasted, and some walnuts. Give them a bit of a mix. And to this, I'm going to add some honey, and we'll just drizzle that over the top. To that, some smoked paprika and some rosemary. And for the rosemary, I'm just going to take it straight off the stalk. Some salt, a good pinch of salt. And to bring the whole thing together, I'm going to be using macadamia oil. Now, this macadamia oil is Australian owned, grown and pressed here. So it's really good quality, really versatile. It's got a lovely buttery flavour. It's great for stir frying, for marinades, for dressing. It's also great for roasting just like this. So a generous drizzle of this lovely macadamia oil over the top. And this is where you can get your hands in and mix everything together. And already the smell is fantastic, but after roasting in the oven, well, it's a thing of beauty. All right, into the oven, we'll wait for them to go golden brown. Look how great these nuts look, golden brown. They smell so good. And I'm gonna serve it street style in a little brown paper bag. So I'll just scoop the nuts straight in there. And these nuts are personal. It's got the flavours that I love with it, which is macadamia oil, smoked paprika, honey, and rosemary. That right there is the best thing ever, and it takes no time at all to prepare.